Okay, so we got some hands over here. That looks so great.
Bro, I hate these vulture. What the heck are you talking about? Also, we got Piggy right there. Look at this little huge pig. Those squirrels. Oh, what the heck are they doing? Ew, they're drinking their poop water. Who the heck are you up there? And who is this kid just doing this? Like, that just scared me on top. What's up, bro? We also got his boyfriend. Shut up. Okay, there's also this pig over there. I gotta get close, but I don't want to get those squirrels freaking out, please. You know, squirrel. That squirrel passed through me again. Oh, squirrel. I don't. Let's see. Piggy. Oh no! Don't look at it. Don't look at it. What the heck are you screaming? He looks like he's. Okay, so that pig is wrong. But if you guys love, subscribe. I'm not sure. Okay. Well, you guys weren't sure that. Look at those empty cages. Why are their cages so damn empty? Look at their cages. They're old. There was animals. Why is this kid right here just free? Hey, yo, what's here? What's here? What's up? You scared? Okay, there's also another one here. Look at those birds. Who are you singing to? Singing to Joe Bob? Yup. That's what I have. Subscribe!